This, this one is one of the hardest thing for me, and it took so long for me to get comfortable and get used to it and do it properly. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm gonna talk about the idea, how to come up with the idea. I'm gonna show you a couple websites, applications where you can find photos and inspiration for your shootings. And at the end, I'm gonna talk how I come with the idea. The first thing is, maybe most of you know it, but it's very popular. It's called Pinterest. There is a website for it, and it has also applications so you can download it on your phones. Let's go inside and I'll show you more about it. So basically, this is the website. It looks like this. The good thing is you can easily search here whatever you need, whatever you want. Basically, you can just type fashion, for example. So it shows you a lot of variety of photos, and you can pick all the area in different areas you want. There's one thing I really like about it. If you like this one, basically you can just click here and send it to someone, or copy it or share it somewhere. You can easily download it and to have this picture. More thing you can do is, if you really like it and you got an idea from it and you want to do it in the future, what you can do is basically click here and just pick, these are mine by the way, but you can easily create a board, name it, and select when started, and if you have any idea you can put a time for it, and if you want to be public or not you can choose this, and if you want to send it to someone. All right, so this one is actually very useful. Most of the people using it. You guys can also check the website. It's very handy, easy to use, and pretty much everything you need, you can just search it and find it there. The second website which you can find photos for inspiration, called Fashion Gone Rogue. Basically it's quite the same as the Pinterest, but the difference is like it doesn't have that much variety of photos, and you cannot really save them and to create an archive for yourself inside the website. This one, I am rarely using this website, but there is an option for you guys also. You can check it out. You might like it or not, but it's up to you. So it's a handy website, not difficult, and there are some good photos inside which might help you. So the third one, which is the most popular one, and everyone's basically using it and everyone knows about it, of course, it's Instagram. So you all guys using it. The thing behind the Instagram is sometimes you have to know how to gather photos, otherwise it's gonna take a lot of time and you might not getting what exactly you want or not getting inspired. Generally, I don't use Instagram that much. People are different. I don't know, someone like Instagram and they use it a lot, but for me it's just not working. I mean, for getting idea. Personally, I use Instagram when I check other photographers' works, so I get more motivated. But anyways, I mean, you guys can try it. It's a very good platform for finding inspiration and ideas. So there's also another way which you can find inspiration or get good photos, to find good photos, basically using magazines. I know it might be expensive, or you might not really into fashion, but what I do is just buy a magazine, and sorry, but I'm like taking all the good photos that I like and just kind of like sort them out. Like I have these a lot of different materials, so when I need something or I want to get inspired, basically I just refer to these and just check them out, and which one I like, I just pick them, take a photo, put it in a computer, and just start gathering more. So the good thing about magazine is basically you have a chance to see the style of each magazine, so what kind of style they follow, and you can see the new brands and like new outfits and new styles, and get to know more about new photographers, not new photographers, but you know, famous photographers, and their new works. Can just show you something like these. Yeah, not very good, but yeah. So this is also another option. You guys can do it if you like magazines. Basically, I personally like them. I use them because it gives me a lot of inspiration. So these are the ways you can get inspired if you want, or find good photos. Personally, I'm not the type of person to just sit and think and just like, you know, go through all the photos and to wait to get inspired. But what I do mostly before I start anything, I go out and go to different brands, mainly clothes stores. I start taking pictures from their products, their latest designs, clothes. The way I get inspired is by just seeing the colors, touching the materials, the design they use, the combination of the colors, and basically the texture. So everything, but whatever I like, I just take a picture of it and bring them home, and then go through them, and I get inspired through those, or I get the idea of what should I do exactly. So this is my way that I get inspired. I mean, of course, I'm using all these Pinterest, Instagram, but what I prefer to do is just, you know, going out to actually feel things and to get inspired. And finally, my top secret that I want to tell you guys. So there's a website called Caviar. It's mainly for fashion purposes. So there are a huge amount of photos, and like same as Pinterest and every other website. So what I really like about this website is you can see all the different photos, get inspired, and at the end, if you really want to, like, it's your main job, you can go through the magazines and pick the one you like, and it's more likely close to your style, and read the requirements and get inspired, gather all the photos and people to start shooting, and you have a chance to get published in the magazine as well. So it's a great opportunity. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like it. If that's so, please consider a thumbs up. Also, I'm going to upload videos every week related to photography and fashion photography. So if you are into it, please consider to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. See you in the next video.